In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove professional account or switch it back to personal on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at Creator Tools and Controls, and that's where you can easily find the Switch Account Type feature. If you tap on it, you will be able to switch your account to personal by tapping right here at the very first option. Then tap at Switch to Personal Account, and after a couple of seconds your account will be switched back to personal. We can go to our profile. As you can see, there are no professional dashboard located right here, and that definitely means that we have successfully switched our account from professional to personal. That's how you can easily remove professional account on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.